Hi there, welcome back. Today we are going to install Navidrome using a Docker Compose file in our Proxmox LXC container. So what is Navidrome? Navidrome is a lightweight self-hosted music streaming server. It replaces paid streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music by saving subscription costs. We get full control and complete ownership of our music library without ads and restrictions. No licensing fees, with flexibility to run on affordable hardware or cloud instances. Multi-device support, streaming to any device using free subsonic compatible apps, avoiding proprietary ecosystems. And finally, you are not internet dependent. Access your music even without a reliable internet by hosting it locally. Enough said. Now let's have a look at Navidrome. We chose a skin that looks like Spotify in our Docker Compose file. When you log into Navidrome, this is what you get. You have radios where you can add streaming services to remote radio stations online. And then we have music playlists. Unfortunately, with restrictions playing music in my YouTube channel, I can't play the audio for this, so I have muted it out, but trust me, it works. In order to upload music to my Navidrome, I am using Filezilla. As you can see, this is the path in my server where I upload my music. You will see this when I do the installation. I will be creating a Your Music folder. And in there I drag and drop music files. It's as simple as grabbing your music file and dropping it there. After we've uploaded the file, we need to restart the server. That's the reason why we use Dockge. So what I like to do is to stop the container . And then start it again. And then go back to the server. And here's the new music file we just uploaded. Unfortunately, I can't play these because these have copyright and I will have issues with my YouTube channel. But trust me, it does work. So you can see this is fairly easy to use. Enough said, let's get our hands dirty. We have this LXC container which we have set to start at boot. So all we need to do now is to connect to the console. And yes, I can log in with my user, but I'm going to log in as root. I just want to mention that when I use Filezilla, I don't log in as root, I log in as my user. The first thing we want to do is to create a Navidrome folder. Inside the stacks folder, inside the OPT folder. -P. The reason I'm using -P is because the folder already exists and I don't want an error message. Now we go to that folder. We have provided a link down below to our instructions for this video. So here we have the documentation of Navidrome. Navidrome is well documented. They do provide you with the Docker Compose file. However, we didn't like what we saw there, so we improved on that. And we will show you this when we do this installation. They also provide the supported applications that you can use to connect to this from an Android or an iOS device, or from the web, or from your desktop, or even from the browser, and it's quite good. The first thing we are going to do is to create the Docker Compose file. So this is the command you will run. Now open the instructions, go to this section here, and copy this content here. Copy. Then run this command. We needed to test the app to make sure that it worked so that we weren't wasting your time. But in your case, you will then just say paste. We are not going to do that. We don't want to break our server. And then Control S for save and X for X-ray, in other words, to exit. The next thing we need to do is to add the env file. Again, we go to our instructions, and in this section here, we copy this. We run this command, and you would paste it here. Again, as I mentioned earlier, we don't want to break our working server, so that's it. And then Control S, Control X. I want to walk through the change we made. We took all the environment values that I had in the Docker Compose file, and we moved it as placeholders into the .env file. The reason we do this is, first of all, this is a hidden file. Secondly, we don't like to have variables with values in the Compose file. You will end up with credentials in some of these Compose files. So as a general practice, we don't put values inside our Compose file. This is a very good practice. Unfortunately, most websites don't give you this because they're trying to make their installation simple. However, ours is even simpler, but also more secure. Enough said. Having done that, we then will start Navidrome with the Docker Compose file. We will start the Docker Compose file using Docker Compose up-d so that it runs in detached mode. As you can see, it started. In your case, it will take longer because it's got to pull down and create the Docker images. And then after it's done that, it will then start the images as Docker containers. In our case, because the images were already in Docker, it was just a matter of starting the container. We will now go to our instructions where we will get the URL to open this in the browser. So it's your server IP address :4533. In our case, we have registered a domain tigerloseyourip.com, so that is the URL we will use. Now, when you run this for the first time, it'll ask you to create a user ID and a password and to verify the password. After that, every time you connect to it, it'll remember you as it stored a cookie in your browser. So I click on here, and here we have the last song that we uploaded. As you can see, this was a very simple installation. We trust you found this useful. Please give us a like. Please subscribe to our channel so that we can reach our target. And with that, we say, grazie mille a me, buona nota. Baie dankie vriend, totsiens. Yasu sinaderfe. Tomo arigato, tomodachi, sayonara.